Hello guys, today I will tell you about the World War II, that how did it started. So let's get started. So the World War II lasted from 1939 to 1945, and it was the deadliest conflict in history. It began because of harsh conditions imposed on Germany after World War I and ended with the defeat of the Axis powers Germany, Italy, and Japan. After the World War I, the Treaty of Versailles punished Germany heavily. They lost land, had to pay huge reparations, and accepted blame for the war. This caused economic hardship and anger among Germans. In 1933, Adolf Hitler rose to power, promising to restore Germany's strength. Hitler rebuilt the military and expanded aggressively. In 1938, he annexed Austria and then demanded the Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia, Britain, and France, hoping to avoid another war. Allowed this. This was called appeasement. But Hitler's ambition didn't stop there. In August 1939, Hitler surprised the world by signing a non-aggression pact with the Soviet Union, secretly agreeing to divide Poland. On September 1, 1939, Germany invaded Poland. 2 days later, Britain and France declared war on Germany. World War II had begun. Germany used Blitzkrieg, a fast and powerful attack strategy. Poland fell quickly. Soon, Germany invaded Denmark, Norway, Belgium, the Netherlands, and France. Paris fell in June 1940. Britain was left alone to face Germany. The Battle of Britain followed a massive air battle where Britain's Royal Air Force stopped Germany's attempts to invade. In June 1941, Hitler broke the pact with the Soviet Union and invaded it, starting one of the bloodiest fronts of the war. Meanwhile, Japan expanded in Asia. On December 7, 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor in the United States. The US declared war on Japan and soon after on Germany and Italy. The war became global. The tide turned in 1942 and 1943. The Soviets won the Battle of Stalingrad. The US defeated Japan at Midway. Allied forces pushed Axis troops back in North Africa and Italy. On June 6, 1944, D-Day happened. Allied troops landed in Normandy, France, starting the liberation of Western Europe. By April 1945, Allied forces closed in on Berlin. Hitler committed suicide and Germany surrendered on May 7, Victory in Europe Day. The war in the Pacific continued. The US dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Japan surrendered shortly after ending World War II. The war caused over 70 million deaths and immense destruction, including the Holocaust, where 6 million Jews died. World War II changed the world forever. The World War II changed the world forever and taught us the importance of peace. If you want to make a video on the whole deep documentary on the World War II, so comment down. It was my first video, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing and like and share. If I did any mistakes, so tell me in the comments, and if you want a detailed video on this topic, then tell me in the comments. New video about history will come soon. I am sorry if did I make a mistake. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.